Alright, so changing the E55 motor mounts, and the way I did it was I pulled everything out from the top. I jacked it, took the motor mount bolts out and from top and bottom and jacked it up real high and then pulled it out from the top. This is the new one I got from VRP, the polyurethane. Hopefully I won't have to buy any more after this, but this goes right in there. This goes right in there from the top. I did do the rack and pinion suggestion on the bottom, but turns out that I didn't need it. There's both of them. I got the other one in right there. Right there. Just gonna put everything back together now. Oh, and I also took out the airbox and the first two plug sets so that, where's it at? I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but you're able to get an extension with the swivel socket and hit the nut right there. So, and that's with the headers and in and out. It took me a little time, but I got it in and out.